This is the installation of the high pressure seal and the sealing head assembly. You have a seal that has a beveled side and a flat side. The beveled side goes up against your sealing head. Then you have another seal with an O-ring on it. It slides on. Then we put a little FML2 grease on there. And just a little bit in the taper of the cylinder. We slide that in. And we already put some goop on here. You gotta have goop on your threads there. And I'm gonna put a little goop on the back side of the collar there of the sealing head. We take our head nut, slide it on. You have an expander wrench. And once you get it on there, you have holes there, you can lock that down. A couple taps with your hand, that's all that's required to seat the sealing head. And then we have a water collar. This is where your inlet water comes in that feeds the sealing head for the inlet water. Got some O-rings in there, just lightly coat the O-rings. Slide it on, then you would connect your water line. That's pretty easy, changing your seals on this thing. This concludes our instructional video of the Jetline series. Thank you for watching, and we'll hope to see you next time.